Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about me and why I cut my hair. Well, not even why I cut my hair. I just cut my hair because it's hot. It's finna be the summertime and I just wanted to cut it because I didn't want long ass hair. Let's just be real. But I'm just so excited that I cut my hair, guys. This was the big surprise that I wanted to come on here and show you guys that I cut my hair. I miss my short hairstyles and I know you guys do too, so I just want to, go back to the pixie cut and just, do me different hairstyles and a lot of different things on my channel. So I'm really excited about me going back to my pixie cut and just, doing different things with you guys. So I'm back to the pixie cut. So I want to be showing you guys how I style my pixie cut. First thing first is I love going in with my foaming lotion, and this is the Eben New York 24-hour foaming lotion that I use. And this is for people that has the natural curly hair, but it really don't matter what type of texture hair you got. But I use this because I like to just go in and just lay my hair down if it's like, got the fuzziness at the top or, somewhere. But I also use this because I like to go in and wave my hair, and that's just something that I'm going to be doing today. And I'm also going to be just putting some curls in my hair just to make it a little fun and not boring. Me as a person, I like to dress up first in order for me to do my hair. And that's just something that I like, because if I don't have on nothing cute, I should say, then I'll be like, oh, I'm not feeling the do. So I have to get myself all dialed up first and then, do my hair. So makeup is last, but I have to put on me something dressy in order for me to do my hair. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead and stick around and make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. I was kind of nervous to do this because I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna turn out right and stuff like that. But once you get out of that fear of doing something that you never done, like, it just gives you a whole big fearless thing, and that's just something I was like, I'm just gonna do this myself. I was gonna go to the beauty shop and get it done, but I'm like, I'm my own beautician, so I can do it myself. So I'm gonna lay this completely flat, and I like to use a lot on my hair, so just to get it to lay down. So I'm gonna use a lot on my hair. It's not gonna do anything to your hair. All it's gonna do is just lay your hair down. Now I would prefer to relax your hair first, because if you're just wearing it natural, it's not gonna lay it down. All it's gonna do is just curl, and you don't want those curls in your hair if you really want that nice lay down. This does not have to be perfect, guys. When I tell you guys, I was like, do it really have to be this perfect? Like the waves have to be this perfect? No, it does not have to be that perfect, because you're gonna have to go in and curl your hair over on the the wave. So it does not have to be that perfect. So I'm gonna go in and just swoop this part towards me. It does not have to be that perfect. Just do it how you do it, and it'll just go with the flow, And that's how some people get very like nervous, because they kind of feel like it's hard, and it's not hard. Like, it's not that hard.
I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Could you still call me at the end of the day, and then you have nothing else to say? What do you want me to say? Try blending my emotions, I know you're about to be oceans away. Please quit asking me to stay. I'm weak under your grasp, and my heart, it won't last. No, my heart won't last. I thought it'd be me and you. I guess it was.
I'm gonna do this side over, and then because I like this side, so I'm gonna do this side over.
What you put me through, I don't deserve this. I guess there was never me in it.
I feel like it looks cool when it's messed up, so I kind of just feel like I'm just gonna leave it like this and then curl it, you know, just like that, because I kind of just feel like it's gonna be cute. It's gonna turn out cute. And if you guys are struggling on this, I kind of just feel like just leave it like that. I promise you it'll be cute. It's gonna turn out cute regardless after it laid right. And then once you go over and flip it and curl it, it's gonna turn out cute.
In a bad mood. Feeling brokenhearted over something that never was. Never was, never was. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you.
Even when I relax my hair, my hair is still like curly, and that's just irritating, but that's just how my hair is anyway. I don't know if I set it under there for a while. I don't know if I took it out early, or I don't know what the case was, but I'm gonna be going in and using my rapid strips. I got the black ones, so I'm gonna go in and use these. I'll probably go in and use 4 of them just to make sure that my hair is wrapped right, nice and tight. So it don't have to be, you know, nice looking, okay? Like, let's just get that straight.
Leave me bad, leave me out to dry. Oh, why, oh, why? Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you.
I'm gonna go ahead and let this hair sit under the blow dryer for about 30 minutes, and I'm gonna come back on and we're gonna finish the rest of the do. Okay, it's dry now, so I'm gonna go in and use my Bio Silk oil, and I really like this oil because it smells good and it just makes your hair feel like fresh, and especially when I had like length hair, it made it bouncy, and you don't really have to use much on this hair. So I'm gonna go in and use this hair, this stuff. So I'll use like a dot of it, and that's just it. I'm gonna go in and put it all over my head just to give it that shine and that texture on the hair. See, I told you, whenever you go in and wave your hair, once you lay it down, it's not gonna always be perfect, but I promise you, once we go in and flip this hair, it's going to turn out very, very pretty. That's why I wanted her to go in and cut a little bit more off because it was like long. So anyway, I'm gonna go in and use my toothless comb and just brush this out. So I'm gonna use these curling irons. I got these from a local beauty supply store. So I'm gonna go in and use these on my hair.
Everything feels wrong, guess who's in a bad mood? Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Never was, never was. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you. Ooh, I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Hard to be your friend when you act this way. What message are you trying to send? What's this game you play? Tell me that you love me and you need me, but leave me out to dry. Oh, why? Oh, why? Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you. Ooh, I guess it wasn't true.
Absolutely like this hair. It just kind of looks fresh, summery, and that's just something I was going for on this hair.
I thought it'd be me and you. Could you still call me at the end of the day and then you have nothing else to say? What do you want me to say? Try blending my emotions, but I know you're about to be oceans away. Please quit asking me to stay.
I like it so much. Like, it's very, very easy. It just makes me feel more confident and I like it. But enough said. I have not been on social media in I don't know how long. I had to take a step back, but now I'm back and I had to cut my hair. And I did it. I took a faith in it and I like it. Like, I really, really like the whole big journey of me cutting my hair. And for all the short hair girls, you rock because, like, I like it. Like, I just love it.